Before you text her again, just watch, because what you're about to do in the next 5 minutes, it's going to cost you everything. She's pulled away, she's cold, her replies are short, her energy is gone, and every instinct in your body is telling you to fix it, to reach out, to explain yourself, to make her feel something again. Don't that instinct? It's a trap, and most men walk straight into it. Point 1. Why chasing her right now is the worst move you can make. Here's what happens the second you chase a woman who's pulling away. You confirm her decision. She was testing consciously or not whether you'd hold your ground or collapse under pressure. The moment you flood her inbox, the moment you ask, "Are we okay?" The moment you beg for her attention without saying the word beg, you've already lost. Not because she's cruel, because attraction doesn't respond to desperation. Think about it. You're not attracted to women who chase you relentlessly. You lose respect for them. You feel suffocated. That's exactly what she feels when you come chasing. Every text you send without a response. That's value leaving your body. Every "hey, you good?" That's you handing her all the power in the dynamic. Stop, right now. Point to the shift. WHAT men WHON actually do. The men who get her back and get her back fast do one thing most guys refuse to do. They disappear. Not dramatically, not with a goodbye text, not with "I'm giving you space." They just stop. They go silent, and that silence, it's deafening. Here's the psychology behind it. When you're always available, you have no scarcity. You're like a store that's open 24 hours, nobody rushes to get there, but the second that store closes, suddenly people want in. You become that closed store. She was used to your attention, your texts, your effort. It was always there, so she stopped valuing it. The moment it disappears, your absence creates a void, and the human brain hates a void. It obsesses over it. It tries to fill it. That void is working for you while you're doing nothing. Point 3. Silence as your most powerful weapon. Most men think silence is weakness. It's the opposite. Silence says, "I'm not going to beg for your attention. I know my worth. I have a life that doesn't stop because you got distant." That message unspoken hits harder than any text you could write. She wants to see what you'll do when she pulls back. She wants to know if you'll crumble. This is where most men fail the test. They start double texting, over-explaining, apologizing for things they didn't even do wrong. You passed the test by not even showing up to take it. Go live your life, hit the gym, see your friends, build something, and whatever you do, don't post sad, vague content. Don't look like you're suffering. If you post anything, post yourself winning, living, being unbothered. That image gets back to her, always. Point for the psychology she can't ignore. Here's what's happening inside her head when you go silent. First, she waits. She expects you to reach out like you always do. Then you don't, and she gets curious. Then she gets uncomfortable. Why hasn't he said anything? Is he okay? Did he move on? Is there someone else? That discomfort? That's attraction being rebuilt in real time. Her ego is now involved. She's used to having control of the dynamic. Your silence disrupts the pattern, and pattern disruption is one of the most powerful triggers in human psychology. She starts replaying conversations, wondering what she said, wondering if she went too far. You haven't said a word, and you're living rent-free. In her head, point 5 exactly WHAT to do and WHAT not to do. Go completely silent for at least 7-14 days. No exceptions. Focus on your goals, your body, your money, visibly. If she reaches out, respond but with less energy than she gives you. Keep replies short, warm but brief. Don't chase the conversation. Let her feel the effort gap shift toward her. Don't text her to check in. Ever post anything emotional, sad, or indirect on social media. Ask mutual friends about her. Break your silence with a long emotional message. Reward her distance with your full attention the moment she comes back. That last one is critical. When she does come back, and she likely will, don't rush to give her everything again. Match her energy. Let her earn back the version of you she had. If you open the floodgates the second she shows up, you reset to 0. Stay measured. Stay cool. Point 6. The mindset that changes everything. Stop seeing her pulling away as rejection. It's a test. Every woman at some point tests whether a man will maintain his frame under pressure, whether he'll stay grounded or fall apart, whether his value was real or whether it was only real because of her, the man who passes. He becomes more attractive than he was before she pulled away, not because he played games, because he proves something real, that he doesn't need her to survive, that his world keeps moving, that his standards don't disappear because she got cold. That man is rare, and rare things get chased. You have 2 choices right now. You can reach out, explain yourself, and hand her every last piece of leverage she needs over you. Or you can go silent, level up, and let your absence do what your words never could. One path keeps you stuck, the other puts you back in control. The strongest move you can make right now is to make no move at all. Now go build something.